नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। We are proud to be a part of JVW Jaipur, which is the best women university in India. I welcome you all in preparatory class on this digital version 2.0 at JVW platform as per schedule provided by the university, which is having the best homeopathy college in Jaipur. Hope the lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen carefully and drop your queries in the comment box. I will answer these queries later on in the problem solving session. So our today's topic is the case taking part 4. In the previous session, you should be able to tell what to ask in the personal history of the patient to complete the case taking. Now today, I'm going to discuss about the method of case taking. As I have told you that we have to uh, fulfill all the data as per a proforma, and this proforma consists of various things like preliminary data, which consists of name, age, sex, marital status, occupation, religion, and address. See, all of these things like occupation, religion, their address, their marital status, they are important. The age, the sex, all are having some importance in case taking, because certain diseases happens according to age, like rheumatoid arthritis. It occurs in the female, the sex is female, and in the age group of 20 to 40, they are most affected. Then occupations, certain disease occurs in certain occupations. The people who work a lot in water, or they are having a tendency to sweating, the laborers, they get fungal infections so frequently. Certain disease occurs as per religion, as per their caste even. And then address, the locality is also a main factor in occurrence of the disease. The other thing which is important is menstrual history in case of females, because it consists of a lot of peculiar things like complaints, menstruation before, during, and after, which are actually concomitants. Then the past history, it leads to anamnesis, how the disease has progressed up till now. And by knowing this, we can understand the cause, even that is antecedent cause, as far as homeopathy is concerned, that is Sora. Then the family history is so important. We can know that what is the physical constitution of the person, what the things which the patient have heredited, क्या चीजें फैमिलियल उसको ट्रांसफर हुई हैं, क्या चीजें हैं जो उसने बाद में डेवलप की है, तो ये हमें पता चल सकता है. Examination of patient is so important, especially the affected system examination and the general examination also. So this is all in this session of case taking 4. At the end of this session, I would like to give you an assignment that is a subjective type of question which carries 10 marks, and the maximum time allotted is 30 minutes, and you have to answer that too. What are the essentials of case taking for eliciting the symptoms of parts? So thank you all. See you again. Take care of your health.